Hi, what did Nathan tell you, Loli? Loli, what did Nathan tell you? Nathan, what did Nathan tell you? Let me go ask her. Did you tell him I don't want you to charge his phone? Oh, that's what he's telling me. Oh, he's mad. Okay, so he's telling mad. Loli! Loli! Why is Loli? Later she is mad. Later says you are mad. So you accept Nature's word, you are mad. Because you said I told her she's not allowed to charge your phone. I don't want her to charge your phone. I don't want her to charge your phone. She said you that. Look here, the criminal. Look the criminal. You see the criminal? There's the criminal. Ah, yes, some people here on the premise. He's a criminal. You see the criminal? He tried to assault me. You're a mad criminal, really? You're a mad criminal. You accept your word. You accept your word that he's mad. He's saying, I don't want you to charge the phone, and you obey me. Yeah. She's helping you now. Adrian. Yeah, you just call the security if you have stubborn drunk people. It's his job. You obeying me. I don't want his phone to be charged. You obeying. That's madness. I agree with you. I agree. He is mad. I proved to him he's mad. And you know what he wanted to do then? Then he wanted to assault me with his stick through the door. That proved he's mad. A mad criminal. He's a mad criminal. Morning, it's 7 now. Nagi time.
Oh, that's
Nagi time, yeah.
Okay, I see.
7 o'clock.
I see.
Yeah. Morning, Jesus. Oh, Jesus, you bubble us. Okay. 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 What do you want here?
Yeah.
Black.
Black.
Huh? 10 rand wine. Huh?
Take and go.
Take and go. Okay, you can take and go. Take and go. Yeah, you can take and go. Bye, dear. Bye, dear.
I kept one beer.
You kept one beer.
Yes.
Really?
I said to you that I will take it when I have time.
And remember, I gave you your money. I say I don't keep beers. The other keep beers, that's their problem. I don't keep beers. They will see now the problem in you trying to steal, because that's what you do when you keep your beer.
Okay.
I gave you back your. In President's President in your camera.
Yes,
I gave you back.
Yes, now
So I don't do that.
Yeah,
You see now why I don't do that,
Yes,
because
yes,
people try to steal.
Yeah. I remember. Now, but you kept my beer also.
So that's your no problem. I gave her the wisdom to not do that. If she disobeyed me, then it's your no problem. She should start becoming obedient, you know? She should start becoming obedient to her mother. Yeah. Good. But listen, there's something else God told me about.
I remember you telling me.
Yeah, good. But there's something else God told me about. It is a problem we had yesterday with the phones, you remember? There was some other guy also that had a problem with the phone. I was struggling to get his phone between the other phones. Then I remembered in the old tavern, somebody took me for a pop and stole the phone from me. So, listen, I'm rejecting Mr. Blanch's command to charge phones. I'm rejecting it. Because he's going to frame me. You know about that. You listen to the recording of the lawyer taking me on, Lolly? You remember that? Lolly? You remember that? The lawyer is taking me on. So, if Mr. Blanch wants to charge your phone, he will come to charge your phone. You agree, Lolly? Not me. I'm not charging phones anymore. He's complaining about the beer you took from him. And I advise you not to do that. I advise you not to take beer. Oh. Het sê jy jy moet dit hou. Ja. Oh. Okay. I don't do that. It's trouble. And listen, you know that Mr. Blanch framing me when something gets. So I'm not going to charge phones anymore. Because Mr. Blanch is going to tell me I must pay it and I cannot. You can charge phones because you didn't pay, but I'm not getting paid. Okay, I'm not going to charge phones. I'm out. Because yesterday was the problem with the phones, I realized. I'm going to get problems. If one of somebody's phones get lost, who must pay it? Mr. Blanch is going to say, I must pay it. He likes to frame me. So I'm out of charging phones. I don't know what you're going to do. That's up to you. Yeah, I can switch. That I can do. Yeah, that one I can switch off. Yeah, I switch off. So why do you agree I cannot charge phones? Because Mr. Blanch is going to frame me. For other people's phones, and I don't have money to charge, to pay your phone. You agree? Good. Take it up with Mr. Blanch if you have a problem. No, I must give you the new rule. I make this rule now. Yesterday he tried to assault me because of his phone that I couldn't charge because it was full yesterday. So people must know from now on I'm out of charging phones. I'm out of charging phones, yes. I cannot pay them if a phone gets lost. So I don't know what you're going to do. Ja. Huh? Ek moet jou gaan aflaai by die huis. Jy vat 'n kar. Ek kan nie nou ry nie. Ek moet nou sien kan. Wanneer? Wat is daar gewerk? Dat kan ek doen. Dit kan ek doen. Sorry. I must give you chance to finish your sentence. Wat is dan? Ek moet fokuleer wat dit daai. Ek kan wat jy sê nie. Nou waar is ook in af. Wat kan jy sê? Ek sê my wat dink jy wat? Ek het ook dit geleer. So ek het 'n idee wat dit is. Nou moet jy jou idee kry. Dan. Hier is paspoort. The temporary residing permit which expired on the 2009 is expired date. This guy's passport.
Ja, ik kan niet zien.
Ja, ik kan ook niet goed zien. Misschien moet je hem uithalen, kan ik dit niet zien. De kakfoto, hè. Maar oké, weet je hoe kom ze hier op? Misschien wil die politie om hier op te zetten. Want ons moet kijken of iemand zich niet gaan moeten. Ons wil laten weten. Dat is wat ik denk. Want zij dat is verval. Of misschien wil Koenko heeft iemand moet zien. Hier is zijn dingen. Ja, dat was. Nou zit hem maar daar, want ik heb hem daar gekregen. So sorry, Jesus, I cannot help with charging phones. My Blanch will say I must pay. Next verse he says I must pay the loan he took. He's framing me. So he will frame me if there's a phone gets lost also. But you, I don't think he will frame you. I think he will pay if the phone if you get a phone lost. But in any case, if he wants you to pay, you can pay because you're getting paid. You know I'm not getting paid, you know. Titi is kleinkind. Titi is your grandmother, so you know I'm not getting paid. So I cannot pay. I cannot take responsibility for phones because how will I pay them? If my son say he's not going to pay, like he's doing with me, with 260,000 rand he borrowed in my name. He's framing me. So I should rather not do that. I will tell the people why I'm not doing it because my son is framing me, like framing me. And I don't have money. I gave all my. I'm working for free. You know, my kids. My son are my children. They cannot pay their mother. That's not. That is what. I moet mos wanneer die verkeerde ene mos nou. Jy moet mos by ander. Ja. Okay, yes. Ja, dis beter as jy op 'n maandag werk. Verlede week het jy op Dinsdag gewerk. Toe was dit baie stil. Maar op maandag is dit bietjie besig. Ek weet nie wat jy Dinsdag gaan doen of jy weer gaan kom nie. Dis up to you. Wanneer jy sien mos as jy regtig besig. That's up to you, Jesus. What you going to do, Jesus? Hey, Lolly wil my gister gemoer het oor sy foon. Ek sê vir jou, ek wil nie, jy moet hom charge, hy wil. Toe sê jy, hy's mal. O ja, ek moet hom nog sê, jy het gesê, mal. Lolly! Lolly! Hier is net toe, sy het gesê jy's mal. Ek stem saam met Leto. Jy's maar. Ek stem saam Leto, hy's maar. Jy sien hoe hy rassisties is. Hy's rassisties op my. Nou sy mind lekker is by my kom, sien jy. Nou ek moet hom slaan daarop dat hy kan uitkom by sy rassisties spirit. Sy rassisties spirit maak hom maar. Hy sê jy luister vir my. Ek wil nie hê jy moet sy phone charge en dan luister jy vir my. Dis malligheid. Ha? 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 You babbelaar. You must not be babbelaar. I'm straight. I'm straight. You must be straight, always. Yeah, you're Jesus now. I give birth to you, you Jesus. I'm God's wife. So I give birth to everybody, you Jesus. Everybody. He said so. Yeah. I'm killing the church. Then you must pay to be Jesus. But the money is free. But I don't need money. I don't have a life.
I know it, Father.
You know that? No, then you must change. I'm not far. I'm Mark. What is Mark? You must have parents. What is far? I'm Mark. You Jesus yourself. Now you can drink some more. You don't need to pay the church anymore.
Okay.
I'm so happy when you're working. I know I'm going to eat nice again. Of course I can take you home when I'm going home, of course. But I thought you wanted to take you somewhere now. I don't know why I was so mad. That's a mad idea, eh? We all think you're mad. You will do mad things, no, not me. I can listen to reason, but Lolly, you must drill the reason into him, you know. I'm drilling it into him. Using some pain, emotional pain, spiritual pain. To get that racistic devil out of him. Which is making him mad. And there's evidence for him being mad, you know. He attacked me with with a pool stick. And it's on camera. I'm going to I make a recording, I make a backup, and I downloaded it to my laptop, and I'm going to publish it. How he's attacking me. Now narcissistic spirits make you mad. That's why you call somebody that is very much in anger, you know, he's mad. Attacking me in front of the camera. Yo. For the phones that are full, there's no place to charge his phone. He's attacking me, eyeball. And he says, you are obeying me. Aye. Aqui para minha irmã. I'm killing the churches. I'm killing the churches. I'm killing the churches. Why? Because they lie.
You lie.
No, I'm the truth. I say the church leader is one of parents in Panama. I'm the man what's the part. The church say you must pay to be Jesus. From when does the church pay to get born? Did you pay your parents to get born? I'm killing them all because they're scholars, they're fighting each other. They must stop fighting each other and bow before the truth. Discipline you nicely. Huh?
Tamati, is it here in minutes? Tamati was having
You see? This Babla, he cannot handle it. You must not be Babla. I'm also going to beat him. He stole 5 empties from Tissy the previous time he bought from me. He's going to pay me out. What you want here? Which beer? How many?
One.
I will deduct the empty. You stole 5 empties, it's on camera. So I will deduct. Don't Titi say, don't literally deduct the empties. You stole 5 empties. You tell Titi what I'm doing. I'm giving you a slip, and you bring me a slip. What do you want? One red. Okay, that's 25 rand for you. The other pay 23. You tell them, okay, you can take it, no problem. You can take it. Don't steal, Tamati, don't steal. In front of the camera, Tamati. In front of the camera. Yo! That's so foolish. One black. Two black. Noli, now you're lying. Here you're taking that empty. Luckily I see Doctor from Loni. He's taking that empty. But he's sitting there. He said he's sitting there. So where is he? Okay, he's going to the mountain. Noli, you're giving to the Marty, who's also stealing. You're giving to the Marty. But you said you're sitting here with the empty. You see, Noli, I was telling you what. So from now on, I will always deduct. Always bring 24. There is the proof. There, let you see it on the camera. There the empty is going. But you said you're sitting here with it. Huh, Noli? You thought so. Whoa! Okay, seeing that you always think wrong, I will have to deduct. And of course the fact that you're always stealing, you know. So your beers I always have to deduct. But don't worry, I will refund you, I give you a slip, you know, I'm not a scaller. And in any case you lied, then Martin never stayed here.